Welcome or welcome back to the episode 6 and the last and the final episode of this beautiful series. In the last episode, you saw how we ended the parade or Vapas Aate Waqt, we came across something really funny and very Goan inspired. All along the way, there were these unique statues like peanuts and chana sailors, a coconut tree, and even a statue of Christian couples getting married. It felt so cute and creative, almost like a glimpse into Goan culture frozen in time. And then we finally reached the mysterious church, the highlight of this episode. This church is called the Kensington Church, also known as the Church of Divine Providence. It was built way back in 1661 by Italian priests. Originally, they had came to Goa to spread Christianity, but जब वो नहीं कर पाए, they decided to stay in Goa and build this church instead. The church was named after Saint Kensington. The architecture is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. It's built in a unique style with a huge dome, massive pillars, and entire structure is so well maintained. Inside the church, there's even the small well which people believed might have been connected with secret passages. One fascinating thing is that the boundaries of this church were never built. So, unlike other Goan churches, it was never turned into a full parish. Even today, it stands tall, admired for its European culture and architecture and peaceful vibe. As soon as we entered in, the feeling was just divine. It was dark inside, not a single light, and everything from walls to pillars were hand carved centuries ago. The details were breathtaking. We were clicking pictures, but honestly, I was completely lost in the beauty. It felt wholesome, surreal, and mysterious all at once. And with this, we come to end to our trip to Bondaram series. If you enjoyed this series, do let me know in the comments. Rate this series out of 10, and if you want me to make more such series, mini vlogs, or travel content, comment down below. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.